This is the good stuff right here. Got wheels. This is number 25. Here's the gear wheel, and that would have been your other wheel for your seeder. Some log movers and some Planet Junior Hillers. This is S94. Some of these cast teeth. I've got quite a few of these in here. S81 with the little wings. A couple of 1096 plows. Adjustable rakes. A pair of S130, S42 and S43. These are in very nice shape. Not wore out. A set of 5-prong rakes. I don't know what these are from, but they're not Planet Junior. They're odd. It's a matching pair. There's some more Planet Junior sweeps. Actually, a pair of really big ones. That's cool. It's a Star Pulverizer. 229. So maybe you guys can tell me what that's from. I really like that. Here's your plow. It's got the wings, adjustable wings. A pair of Hillers. This looks like it's new old stock. This is Planet Junior. I think it's for the high wheel hoe. Just a couple more of these plows. Another pair of Hillers. These are like new old stock steels for these very old wheel hoe sweeps. That's just added on. There. This is actually a set of 132 tractor hose. I think these are the 6-inchers. An onion lift.